What is the symptoms of fatty liver? Our liver is the vital organ located in the upright quadrant of the abdomen and partially protected by the ribs. This organ is critical for numerous bodily functions. Common signs of liver damage. Upset stomach. The patients who have liver damage usually have problems with persistent nausea because of the fact that the liver's ability to eliminate toxins is reduced. Loss of appetite. In case the food is not properly digested, it can lead to loss of appetite and significant weight loss. Overall weakness and fatigue. When the liver is damaged, our body works harder and this is why it needs more rest. This happens because the toxins in the blood cannot be eliminated by the liver. Changes in the color of the urine. In case you notice certain changes in the color of your urine, you have to be aware that it might indicate damaged liver. Abdominal changes. If you experience cramping or pain in the lower part of the abdomen or you feel particularly bloated, it could indicate liver damage. 4 amazing food for fatty liver. Walnuts. Food good for liver repair and eliminate fat deposition. Oatmeal. Increases energy level and improve liver function. Coffee. Protect against cirrhosis of liver and lower risk of type 2 diabetes. Grapefruit. Lose weight, improve skin tone and enhance blood flow. The Cares and Cures team want you and those close to you to live a healthy, happy life. Look after your health and your mind so that you can live your life to the fullest. Do share this with your friends and family and let us know what do you think in the comments below. This video is solely for informational purposes. Do not self-diagnose or self-medicate, and in all cases, consult a certified healthcare professional before using any information presented in this video. The editorial board does not guarantee any result and does not bear any responsibility for any harm that may result from using the information provided in this video.